Put cardboard underneath. Cardboard. Yeah. I have to look for the chickens. And look, the sidewalk is not clear, which makes me fall. Alright, maybe better to go in a new track. Yeah. Poor Olga, your shoes. Olga, honey, if you want to go back, you go back. I'll give you the key. Well, that was a train. So some of the trains are running. The M is running. Excuse me. Hi. Is that snow? Is that snow? Oh, that's snow. Wow. That snow is taller than you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. And again. All right. Oh my God.
It's all the way down there.
Let's go home.
Yeah. Well, the chickens will survive.
The chickens have help. Bye, everybody. Ho ho ho. Ho ho ho. Hey, let's walk on the street. Mejor. Now we can go here. Just 2 blocks. The street for the people, not for the cars. Yeah.
If it wasn't for the cars, it wouldn't be for the people either.
The people have the streets, not the cars. Yay.
The chickens have the streets.
I have a haiku that says, money and the economy got nothing to say when snow is on the ground. How does it go? It goes, I can't remember. I have to get it.
This is the essence of American dream. The chicken never crash and rubber nipples never.
Rubber nipples? What is he talking about?
No, I used to watch Ren and Stimpy.
What?
From Ren and Stimpy.
Rumpelstiltskin?
Ren and Stimpy.
Ah, you have too much culture for me. I don't understand you. Hello. Hola. Share the road. Follow me, follow me. Follow me, Russian. Don't be Russian. Oh, that's enough of the Russian jokes, Poonam. Hello.
fork and
A fork and a knife. Hello. How you doing?
where are the chickens?
Soon, soon. One more block.
I thought for chickens you have to go to the red.
No, that's not chickens.
That's chickens.
That's pussy. Oh! We live in the cages of society, and New York City is. Oh no! Alright. Ooh, that was pretty. Actually. Ooh. Oh, pretty. Oh. Yeah. The mumble mumble?
Mumble, mumble, mumble.
Mumble mumble.
Mumble. Mumble, mumble.
Whose fucking streets? My fucking streets. Oh, where the hell are the chickens?
Oh, where's the chickens?
Melrose. Kiwi. Ah. Huh. We passed it. How can we pass it? Because the night belongs to Mother Nature. Because the streets belong to Mother Nature. Oh, look at an intrepid bicyclist. Uh-oh.
So where is it?
Let's see, what does the light say here? I want my chair. Oh, there. Oh, there it is. I passed it. It's right there. Yeah. See how they're doing. I don't see anybody.
Save my darling poultry. My darling hen, love you all the time.
You're such a foul bird.
You're such a foul bird.
You cannot even fly. But you're my chicken. I love you all the time. Bushwick City Farm is snowed under. Hi. How are you? Look at that. Bushwick Farms. Yeah. I hope they're okay.
Hibernating. They don't have any cars to dig out.
Come on, you! I don't like the attitude! And now we take back the streets! We think the people of Brooklyn will not be put on the sidewalks! It's a parade day. It's a field day. It's a glorious day. Hello. Hey, you guys look so cool with your glasses. Huh?
Yeah,
Huh?
that's my holography.
Is it what?
Holography.
Holography. Ah. Ah. And we're right back to our truck. Ladies and gentlemen. Right back to our truck.
Okay, I gotta run fast.
You run fast, go, go, go. But you need the keys here. No point in going without the keys.
That's right, that's right. I don't know which one is your house.
You don't know which one is my house? Hello! Hey, isn't this great? I'm making a video.
This is terrible.
It's wonderful. You have to share the road with the people.
Okay.
The people of Brooklyn.
So from Brooklyn.
Yeah, we demand the road.
Good.
Bye. Hey, you having fun? Qué bueno, qué bueno. Right back to where we started. All roads lead to Rome. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. I'd stay on the road if I were you. If I were you, I would stay right on the street. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Here's a happy person. Hello. Ah! Monster. My hand is frozen. Back to my car. And then I'll... Home, sweet fucking home. That's what I say.